friends, how perfect is it that today Dr. Seuss left us a little message on the board about subtraction? Since it's Dr. Seuss week, that seems pretty perfect. So let's read what the poster has to say. It says, Seuss says sometimes you need to steal so that you can solve super silly, stupendous subtraction problems. So who can tell me what it means to steal in a subtraction problem? Doesn't seem very nice. Alex? Yeah, to get another 10 from the ones, because sometimes you need some help in the ones place to subtract, right? Very good. So why doesn't everyone turn into a partner when it's a good time to steal and when it's not a good time to steal in a subtraction problem? Wait, you just got it. But that's why we're working on it, right? Okay, friends, let's turn and face your bodies back towards the board. Let's see when Seuss says it's good to steal and when Seuss says it might not be so great to steal. Seuss says when the number on top is smaller than the number on the bottom, you should steal. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with that. Okay, Seuss says when the number is on the bottom is smaller than the number on the top, you don't need to steal. Who agrees with that one? Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. So, all of last week we were working with 2-digit subtraction problems. Do you guys think you're ready for some 3 digits? Yes. Okay. So why don't we make a circle on the carpet so that we can all see this poster board on the floor. I'm going to use the blocks again to make sure that you guys can see what numbers we're talking about. So we're going to build our top number with the blocks. Can everybody see our poster board? Yep? Okay. So we're going to start with a problem that we might not need to steal. But I want to make sure we check every place value just in case. So we're going to learn a little chant today that will help us know if we need to steal or not. So it's going to be a reminder for us to double check each place value. So it goes like this. Ones, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the tens can. You guys want to say it again? Ones, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the tens can. Very good. Then, when we go over to the tens, we might need to double check if our tens place can subtract. So we'll say, tens, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the hundreds can. So are we ready to start our first problem? Yes. We are going So we are going to do 226 minus 112. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to need to build 200. How many 10 sticks are in 100? Who knows? John Michael? 10. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 2 more. Okay, that's 100. Now we need another 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Okay. So now we have 200. We need to build 26 more. How many 10s do I need then? 26. How many 10s do I need? Hold it up with your fingers. 2. Okay, let's build 2 tens. Thank you, friends. need how many ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you, guys. Okay, so are you ready to subtract? Let's look at our ones. Ones, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the tens can. Can we solve 6 take away 2?
Yes.
What's the answer? You can raise your hand and tell me. Jayla? 4. 2. We have 4. Okay, so let's look at our tens. Tens, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the hundreds can. Okay, what is 2 tens take away 1? Who knows? Raise your hand. Addie. 1. Awesome. We can solve that one also. So now when we look at our hundreds, we can say another chant, but it's going to be a little different. So we're not going into thousands yet. We're going to stay at hundreds. So we're going to say hundreds, he's our man. If he can't do it, then no one can. Awesome. So we have 200, and we're going to take away 100. Who knows what that answer is? Allie? 2 take away 1. Awesome. What's our final answer? Who can put that all together for me? Katie? 114. Awesome job, guys. You just solved your first subtraction problem with 3 digits. That was awesome. Are you guys ready for a little bit tricky one?
Yes.
Flip it over. Okay, we're going to build the number 200. How many ones do I need for the number 200?
20.
Make sure you're raising your hand. Alex, how many ones are in the number 200? 200.
Oh,
0. So I don't need to put anything right there. How many tens are in the number 200? Raise your hand if you know. Ella? 0. How many hundreds do I have? Let's see, lots of hands. Callie? 2. There's 100. There's 200. Okay, are we ready for our chant? Let's start where? The ones. Ones, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the tens can. Can we do 0 minus 9? No. So what do we do? Who knows? Raise your hand. Maddie? Where do we go first? To the tens. But there's nothing there either. Let's say our chant for the tens place so that we understand that then we go to the hundreds. Tens, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the hundreds can. So our ones couldn't do it, our tens couldn't do it, but thankfully we have our hundreds. So I'm going to steal 100 and put it into the tens. How many 10 sticks do I have now? Who knows? How many 10 sticks? John Michael. 10. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, so now let's go back to our ones and start our chant all over again. Ones, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the tens can. Looks like the tens can do it now. So I'm going to steal a 10 stick. Can we solve 10 take away 9 now? I think so. Who knows the answer? Mara. 1. So if we have 10 and we take away 9 of them, we have 1 left. We're on to our tens place. Ready? Tens, he's our man. If he can't do it, then the hundreds can. Can the tens do it on its own now? 9 minus 1 is? Katie? What? Yes?
What if there was zero on the, if there was 0, 100, 0, 10, 0, 1, there's no subtraction.
It would go into a crazy negative number, which you're going to learn about way later on. Right now, we're just going to focus on hundreds numbers, okay? Good question, though. Okay, so let's move on to our hundreds place. Let's say the chant.
Hundreds, hundreds, he's our man. If he can't do it, then
No one can. Okay, so we have 100 minus 100. What's the answer? You guys can say it out loud. 0. So what is our final answer? Make sure you count up the tens and you count up the ones. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Nick? 81. Awesome! I'm very proud of you guys for solving this tricky problem where you had to steal so many times from your neighbor. So during our stations today, we are going to work on this at my table. I will give you different problems, and we will work on subtraction where we might need to steal a lot, so we'll need to be saying our chant lots and lots. At Mrs. Ondick's table, you will be doing some word problems on your dry erase board. Some of the problems might be kind of silly, like Dr. Seuss subtraction problems. And at Mrs. Clark's table, you will be doing a worksheet that you worked on last week, just to refresh your memory on double-digit subtraction. So our inspector will have us to go to our first station.